Did you ever think how can you gain some money from the solar panels? If you did it, you are not alone, be sure. When you're gonna start, you understood that you need to buy some solar panel, of course, you need to buy the solar panel controller, batteries, AC/DC inverter, then you need to buy the power supply, and you need to buy the device which you're gonna use. Is it the only way to use the solar panels? Let's think about it. Stay with us. Hello friends, this is the First Motion Lab channel. I hope you're gonna satisfied with this video. Please subscribe and let's have a start. Current solar panels I already have. I bought the solar panel controller. This is a solar panel controller is MPPT, and here we have the interesting instruction which nobody ever read it, and let's look at it. It looks pretty, and I hope it will work correctly. This device is an MPPT controller. I think you understand what does it mean, and it has enough power for my aim. First of all, let's try to connect this device to solar panels and try to understand how this device works. And here I was surprised first time, because the device didn't start up. Just in case, I checked the voltage on the solar panel connectors and on the pins of the device, but it still won't turn on. Okay, let's check battery. It's easy to connect battery to the controller, and we can see that controller started up and everything all right. Now we try to connect small load on it, and we check output. The 7.5 amps, it's good, absolutely good, and we check the voltage on the battery. We have about 13 volts, and total output is 97 watts. Okay, it's correct. Let's check how much power this device is taking from solar panels. 30 volts, and about the wait a moment, about 6.30 amps. It's not good, it's just 50% efficiency. It's maybe not a problem, because we connected low load, and when we connect high load, maybe we will be able to see the good efficiency, maybe. Now, I connected my AC/DC inverter, and it works correct with the battery, and when I connect the solar panel controller, the inverter switched off. I didn't understand what does it mean, and it took some time to understand what happens. I connected my AC/DC inverter, I disconnected my AC/DC inverter and try again and again. I connect the oscilloscope directly to the solar panel controller, and at least I got it. Just look at this. This shape of the voltage is absolutely unacceptable. Let's go further. Now I solved to connect the high power load to understand what this device is. We can see that it's about 30 amps of the load, and the input voltage drops up to 26 volts. But we have the unacceptable shape of the voltage. I think we can't use this device for our aim, and I think I finished with this. Of course, you can buy system like this, or you can buy system like this, but I'm sure you will earn nothing with it. but it's a really good term to discuss with your friends in the bar. And now it's time to try another way to use our solar panels. What if we delete all of the devices and connect directly DC-DC converters? We're gonna use DC-DC converter like this. It's our device and it has the output voltage indicator, input voltage indicator, voltage adjustment, amps adjustment, and this device can work with parallel with another one. We have the connectors to connect it to another device, and it has the jumpers to switch modes and the LED indicator. And while I am trying to connect my device, I would like to ask you support our channel. You can do it by using the QR code. You can give us your like. These very important things for us, and in this case we can meet with you again and again. This big device is a Bitcoin miner, and we will try to run it with our DC-DC inverters. This small device is a watchdog. It's very useful small thing, but I will tell about it little later in this video. This device is really nice, but we need to see and hear it to understand how it works. You can see blue LED is flashing, and it means that the watchdog is working correctly. Here we can see that hash boards is started up and the voltage dropped down. Here we will be able to see that our device is connected to the internet mining pool, where we will be able to collect our bitcoins. Green light. This is a good light. Our device is working correct. What about power consumption? On the first level, the device consuming about 1.5 amps. On the second stage, the fans taking full power, and they are consuming about 5 amps. Then we have the third stage, and here we have consumption about 13-15 amps. And last one, the device working almost on the full power and is consuming about 125 amps. This device is working almost full power. To be sure that our miner is working correct, let's have a look at the web board. Here we can see that our miner is working almost on the highest hash rate mode, and we need some seconds to see the result. And now we can see that hash rate is about 3 terahash. In some second the terahash growed up to 13, then 14, and at least we will get more than 15 terahash. That means that our ASIC miner is working correct, and our DC-DC converters have enough power to supply our miner, that's good result. Now I would like to make some measurement to understand how my system works. We can see that miner takes 120 amps, but current is dropping down because the miner began works on the regular level, and the input current is about 55 amps. Input voltage is about 29 volts. That means the input power is about 1545 watts. And output voltage, output power is about 1436 watt. It means efficiency about 93%. That's good. And now let's have a speak about this device. It's a Watchdog. It's a small, low cost, but very useful device. It device can protect your miner when the voltage is dropped down, and it's switched on your device when the voltage is getting up enough, and if voltage too high, Watchdog will switch off your miner again. This device can control overcurrent, overheat, can control time or any other conditions you want to control to protect your device, protect your miner, because it can be a very expensive device. And of course, our research will not fool if we will not connect our AC/DC inverter to understand is our system working correctly with any other devices, or it has some problem with it. No problem. We connect it directly to the DC/DC inverters. We can see that the output voltage is more than 10 volts. It started up. We can adjust voltage as we need, and it absolutely correctly works. That's good. And now we can be absolutely sure that we can supply with electricity any our device we want directly via the DC/DC inverters, and we can be sure if we have a sun, we have a money.